Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. This is the third video on the series Functions. Previously, we have learned about the basic definition of function and also looked at few examples of it. Now, this video is about graphs.
If you are given a graph of a relation, how will you recognize whether it is a function or not? We can do so by the vertical line test. What is a vertical line test? Under this test, graph of given relation is drawn assuming elements of domain along x-axis. If a vertical line drawn anywhere in the graph intersects the graph at only one point, then we can say that the relation is a function. Otherwise, it is not a function. Or in other words, a curve in a plane represents the graph of a real function if and only if no vertical line intersects it more than once. Let us consider some graphs. If you move this vertical line from left to right of the graph, you can see that the line doesn't intersect the graph more than once. So, this graph of relation is a function. In the second graph, when we move the line from right to left of this graph, you can see it intersects the graph at only one point. So, this graph of relation is also a function. Moving on to the third graph, the line intersects the graph at more than one point except for the points where the line is a tangent. Hence, this graph is not a function. In the last graph, the line initially intersects only at one point, but moving it further, it intersects the graph more than once. Therefore, it is also not a function. So, I hope it is clear about functions.